Alright, this week in the shop, we're going to get back on the Elco. We got some more parts for it. We're going to do that tomorrow. Today we've got a 14 model Ram 2500 that it's been sitting out there for a little bit. All the shops are full, so it's been kind of hard to work on it. We're going to do it outside, but it won't show park or neutral, so we can't get to start. And we're going to dive in, see what's going on. It's all electronic transmission, so we'll kind of poke around and show you how this thing works. Alright, let's see if we can't get it going. So here we are in our 14 model 2500 6.4 Hemi. So I've got the transmission connector unplugged, and I'll show you why. That's why it's showing Christmas colors down here. But what we were seeing originally is the park would not light up. It would show reverse, it would not show neutral, it would show drive. Of course, it's not going to start if you can't get into park or neutral, or if the computer doesn't see that it's in park and neutral. That way you can't start while it's in gear. So the code I did have prior to unplugging it was this transmission range sensor rationality fault. I now have this fault because I have it disconnected, but I can quickly show you what I found. Didn't take long. It's pretty simple. Let's crawl underneath. So initially when I unplugged this solenoid pack connector, which is on the side of the transmission here, facing up, it was very corroded, full of water and moisture. So I tried to clean it a little bit just to get it just enough to start and go closer to the shop so I'm not out here. And when I unplugged it, I don't know if you can see, but right here and here, it broke the male terminals off the solenoid pack. That's how corroded and crusty it was. So what we're gonna have to do, I think I have a connector for this, but I think we can clean. I've got files and electric cleaner, dielectric grease. We're gonna try to clean these contacts, get the male terminals out of that one. We'll have to remove the transmission pan, pull the valve body out, and that solenoid pack sits on top of that valve body, and we can swap it out and put it all back together. So this is fun to do in the grass, but let's do it.
Oh yeah,
here we are. We got her now, bud.
Ew. Huh.
Alright, I'll hand you the tools and I'll go drink beer while you
That's fine. That body's not too bad.
God, some of these aren't rounded off or stripped out.
Go find out.
Yeah.
Probably should. This one ain't even in there all the way.
That's not good. Is it not?
No, I'm unloosening it right now.
Huh. Well,
probably should start at the back.
Yeah, that's actually smart. Let me go get a tray.
Yep, got one. RTV'd the shit out of that one. Wonder why. This is bullshit. Do you got a longer extension for this bitch?
Yes, man.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Oh. Yeah, I ain't got a lot of faith in these back bolts.
That's
a lot of RTV on that one. Oh man.
That's not good.
Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh. That one's bad. Got one of them out.
Alrighty.
Oh no. They RTV the shit out of this thing.
Yeah, that thing
should be leaking already.
It's all the ones that left. The impact won't take these.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Well, these start back here. This one right here. Come on. Oh yeah.
So, no, Bubba, it's coming
Oh
off.
shit, yeah it is.
Come on. Back the other way.
There you go, good luck. Oh
Gosh, I'm surprised that aluminum case held that. I was hoping they just glued the head back.
Oh, this one's off. That's the only one that's left.
Oh. There's that one in there. We're never gonna get this pan off here.
I don't think so. I'm not feeling too confident. We're gonna bend the shit out of it. Oh yeah, good luck. They got about a half-inch bead on that.
Man, that is loaded up. We're gonna have to get a
freeboard.
Yeah. Both ways. This is a custom one.
Oh yeah. Bangable, huh?
I just realized I got my going out hat on too. Gotta change hats. Man. It's not easy.
Oh. Started from the wrong side.
I mean, it doesn't look horrible.
Pretty red.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty dark.
At least it's still red.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, baby.
Let's let that drain.
Man, pretty red.
You got a little on your hands.
Yeah.
Boy.
Oh. Didn't bring no fucking rag.
I didn't plan on getting dirty. Oh boy. We'll get a real good look when we get this pan out here. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we'll drain it later.
Nice.
Just let all that out. Okay.
Let's talk.
Yeah, I threw it over in the bulk bucket. Yeah.
I need a rag.
New rag.
Again.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Thingy-majiggy.
Oh. Oh yeah. Still red.
Still red, yeah.
Mostly.
This looks like old fluid. Alright, so we go back to the... Ooh. Yeah, about 8 millimeters there.
Yep.
Yeah. You got the...
Oh yeah, yeah. There's that.
Okay. I'm gonna put this in the pan.
Need a helper, please. Oh shit, too loose.
And then
There's more down here, but I can't get it
on there. Maybe the extension.
Yeah, maybe.
I think I threw it in the bolt bucket. Yep, there it is. How can I do this without spilling it? Gotcha. Oh my god. Come on. Yep. There she goes. There you go. Oh lordy.
You set it in the pan?
Yeah.
She's gonna be a little off balance.
Holy.
She's okay.
Yeah, she's just dirty.
Yeah.
What's wrong with it? Oh man. I'll grab that gun.
Yeah. Got our torch bits. Still outside.
Still outside.
Got
Got
any more?
Got any more? There's a broken one. There's a broken one here. A corn wheel. Yeah.
Can't remember nothing.
How was that big? Ah! Let's get a better one. The tip broke off that one. There you go.
Don't do that. I can't see shit.
Thank you.
That one's dirty.
That one's dirty. Let's
pull these out and clean it off again.
Yeah. A little spray gun. Watch your eyes. Perfect.
I think that's all she be.
So how's all that work? What are you taking here? Oh look. What is this called? That's solenoid pack?
Yeah, it's all my pack.
So obviously it opens up electronically to allow different flow patterns to move these.
Shift the gears.
Shift the gears, move some valves,
Yeah.
apply some clutches.
Do you have the sequence and torque numbers?
No, I do not.
Not needed?
Not necessary.
Not necessary.
We just work our way from the middle out. And they don't have to be uber tight.
Yeah.
I'm sure there'll be a lot of people that disagree with that,
Oh yeah.
but nothing there.
Oh my gosh.
With both ratchets over.
Yeah, same place we left the torque wrenches.
Alright, clean that off. That'll be
Got a new filter.
ready to go. Yeah, new filter on it. Let's see if you can see. You see that shit?
Look at the terminals.
Yeah, these two right here broke off.
Oh, how'd that happen?
I guess it was so corroded because it would work before. And when I pulled that connector off, and I was seeing all that corrosion, that moisture in there, I was like, damn. So I sprayed it out, put it back on, and from then on, it would never work at all. And I was like, what the heck happened? That's what I was out there earlier. I'm like, I had my file.
Yeah.
I was like, why can't I get in these terminals? I was like, oh shit, it's broke.
Core charge.
Cool. That cardboard's good for it. It stops it on land.
Yeah. like they use the same stuff as us. Gasket maker.
Yeah, I think it is the same shit.
Just a lot of it.
Just a lot of it. Yeah, let's get the big shit over here off. It's one thing one transmission guy taught me is not to scrape the pan clean.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I had this one, that shop we were specialized in, I sold a trans flush, or a trans service, and god dang, it was like an Intrepid or something. Of course, he was giving me crap for stealing his work. So I did it. It came back leaking. I was like, dang it. So I pulled it apart, cleaned it all real good, do it again, come back leaking again. So I had to go ask him. Of course, he's like, why should I help you if you're stealing my work? He's like, you keep cleaning the pan all the way off. I was like, just peel the big stuff off and slap it back together. I was like, what? No way. I've done it ever since. Never had one leak.
Wow.
Knock on wood. This something's gonna leak. Got a waiter. Y'all getting tired yet?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna practice.
Oh, we don't have a light. Oh my eyes! Okay. Got points of contact clean. Oh, we're gonna need some bolts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Slide this out your way. Ooh. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, don't do that.
Don't lose the bolts.
Don't lose the bolts.
Where's that proud one?
Yeah, make sure it's parking.
We'll go into gear.
Okay.
You bring the gun out here?
Gosh dang it. I think you're laying on the socket.
Oh yeah? My fault. Give me a minute. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's right by your ass.
Oh yeah. Dirty. Let's pull the rest of these in.
I'll let OSHA see that.
Yeah.
See us doing this.
My chest hurts.
Oh, my chest.
All those VOCs. Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
There's one down here.
And that filler back there. This should be on my left hand.
Oh shit. Yep, there's one right there. One right there.
Yep. Uh-huh.
That one right there. Got this
And
one
then
back
that
here.
filler there. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Well,
You ready to filter?
yeah. I was trying to think of something.
Somewhere.
Let me just pull it out of gear. Make sure we got that lined up.
Yeah, it worked.
Alright. Okay. Is she good now?
Yeah. She cleaned. Let's get some bolts.
A lot better than the damn half tons. Yeah, it's gonna.
Oh, it's the fun part.
Yeah.
I can't see.
There you go. Maybe.
Maybe. Alright. She should be good on this part.
Need some that love over here. Or...
Nope.
Yeah, all those.
Yeah, I got them all.
By golly. So, yeah. Just need to finish cleaning up these terminals here.
Bring that grease and spray cleaner.
Yeah. Ooh. Where's it at? There it is. The old file on it. They're not gonna look brand new, but they'll look better than they did. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. Oh, I didn't make sure. Somewhere. Come on. Oh man. Getting the goo on it.
Oh no.
Look at that. Okay. Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Turn my animals here.
Bring that grease and spray cleaner.
Yeah. Oh, where's it at? There it is. The old file on it. They're not gonna look brand new, but they'll look better than they did. Yeah. Oh man, I got the RTD on. Damn.
I saw that.
Back of my hand. Son of a no light.
Good battery life.
What are they making? Oh, wait a minute. Look how stupid I am. Wow. I've never known they did that. I'm always like, why are they always like tweezers? Yeah, I'm stupid.
Cleaner.
Do this like getting in their eyes.
Well, that stuff just smells like shit. You can't worry about it burning.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh yeah, look out. I'm not disappointed in that. Where the
What?
where'd the cover go?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, there it is. Don't worry about that grass.
Yeah. Yeah. Install. Can't see. Oh, I did not do a good job with that at all. There we go. Uh-oh, the light's flickering. Alright.
There she be.
Let's turn the key on.
Put some fluid. Turn the key in.
Leave it.
Yeah. Probably put fluid in it. Or
Yeah.
put.
Well, I was going to turn the key on and see if it'll... Alright. So are we putting in the best of the best? The red degreaser? Is that what you...
ATS +4.
ATS +4 is the other term. Speaking of chili, is it chili if it's got beans in it? What's your thought process on that?
Should be chili if it has beans in it.
Okay.
I think.
I prefer beans in mine.
Yeah.
God dang it, I knew it was coming.
Oh man.
Well, there's some Texas people out there that
I can eat it either way.
Yeah.
I think it's good either way, but you know, everybody has what they like.
well, they're like, I know, yeah. They say it's stew if it's got anything but meat in it.
Oh.
No, by the way, I just have to clear the codes out.
No, yeah?
Yeah.
That'll help.
She's good to go. Man, this is not easy holding 12 quarts of fluid up.
How you measuring that?
I'm I'm taking a guess at it. Oh my. And we're back. Okay. I don't know how much we got in there so far.
Say about 5 quarts.
5.
Maybe.
You said there was 12 total?
Yeah. Should have made a mark to where it was when we first started.
Glad you brought this jug. I needed another one.
I know.
I bet we can fire it up on that.
Yeah, I won't burn a pumper, doesn't it? Oh shit.
Whoops. Well, I guess it's
Fire it up.
fire it up, light them up. Sammy Hagar would say. Alright, ladies and gents, we got her full of oil, warmed up. Let's go drive it. It does move. That's good. Alright, test drive complete. Just kidding. Gotta check the fluid in it some more. Want to make sure. Alright, so we wrapped up the Ram. Test drove fine. All's well. No leaks. Looks good. I'm not videoing anymore because it's starting to rain outside and it is cold. We got the heaters on.